Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Costco app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just sign up with Costco. How do you actually go ahead and use the Costco app? So the first thing that you want to do is that of course you need a Costco membership, but once you install the app, go ahead and log in. This is what your homepage will look like. On the top left-hand corner, you can have a search bar, and this search bar will search for different items in your local warehouse Costco. Click on the zip code of where your warehouse is currently set to, and let's actually go ahead and decide between delivery or warehouse. We're going to choose warehouse, but if your warehouse is different, click on change warehouse and then select your nearby Costco's warehouse. Once you select the correct warehouse and click on set as my warehouse, this is when you can start shopping. So use the search bar to search for different items. Let's say that we want to go ahead and buy a PS5. We can type in PS5, and with it, you can add items to your cart. So if we click on add to cart, this will add it to our cart. Now in the bottom right hand corner, if you click on cart, this is where you'll be able to check out and place the order for the item. Additionally, you could also remove things from the cart. You can read about the details of this cart. And also, if you click on account on the bottom middle hand side, this is where you can pull up your digital membership card in order to go into Costco. So lately, new Costco's have been using a scanner to allow people to go in. On this page here, you could also add payment methods. You can add your shipping or delivery address as well. You could also manage your membership, whether you want to auto renew or basically cancel your membership. And you could also delete your account as well. But those are basically the main things that I use when it comes to using the Costco app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.